Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and impactful topic, how to implement solar-powered farming effectively. Solar-powered farming is a sustainable and cost-effective way to enhance agricultural productivity by harnessing solar energy for various operations such as irrigation, machinery, greenhouses, lighting, and storage. This approach offers significant benefits, including cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Steps to implement solar-powered farming. 1. Assess your farm's energy needs. Start by evaluating the energy requirements for your farm tasks, like watering crops, running machinery, lighting, and storage. Understanding your energy consumption is crucial for designing an efficient solar power system. 2. Evaluate sunlight availability. Analyze the sunlight availability and weather patterns in your area to determine the optimal number of solar panels needed. Consider factors such as the intensity and duration of sunlight throughout the year. 3. Explore financial support options. Look into various financial support options, such as subsidies, grants, and loans that can help cover the costs of installing a solar power system. Many governments and organizations offer incentives for adopting renewable energy. 4. Collaborate with solar energy experts. Work with solar energy experts to design and install a robust solar power system tailored to your farm's specific needs. Ensure the system is well designed and properly installed to maximize efficiency. 5. Install solar panels. Install the solar panels in sunny locations such as rooftops or open fields to capture maximum sunlight. Proper placement is key to achieving optimal energy generation. 6. Integrate solar power with farm operations. Connect the solar power system to your farm's electrical setup to power everything from water pumps to lighting. This integration will help you transition smoothly from conventional energy sources to solar power. 7. Monitor and maintain the system. Regularly monitor the performance of your solar power system and perform necessary maintenance, such as cleaning the panels, to ensure it operates efficiently. Proper upkeep is essential for long-term sustainability. 8. Train your team. Educate your team on how to use and maintain the solar power system effectively. Training ensures that everyone is equipped to handle the new technology and maximize its benefits. 9. Expand solar applications. As you become more comfortable with solar energy, consider expanding your system to power additional aspects of your farm, further reducing your reliance on traditional energy sources. Benefits of solar-powered farming. Cost savings. Solar-powered systems can significantly reduce energy costs by providing a renewable source of power for irrigation, machinery, lighting, and storage. Environmental impact. Using solar energy reduces dependence on fossil fuels, thereby lowering greenhouse gas emissions and minimizing the farm's ecological footprint. Enhanced operations. Irrigation. Solar-powered water pumps ensure crops receive adequate water without relying on grid power or diesel generators. Machinery. Solar energy can power tractors and processing equipment, reducing fuel consumption and operational costs. Lighting. Solar-powered lighting systems improve safety and productivity during early morning or late evening hours. Storage. Solar-powered refrigeration units keep produce fresh, extending shelf life and reducing post-harvest losses. Thank you all for watching and for your immense support. Please share this video to reach a greater audience and help more farmers embrace solar-powered farming.